Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn Commerce with Namita. I am Namita Mane. In today's video, let us discuss what is cost of living index number. So let's try to understand the definition or meaning of cost of living index number. We'll see the formula of cost of living index number and one example of cost of living index number. So without wasting time, let's start the lecture. So cost of living index number. A cost of living index number or a consumer price index number. Okay, a cost of living index number or consumer price index number is a number which measures, okay, what does the cost of living index number or consumer price index number measures the average change. Okay, so a cost of living index number is a number which measures the average change, okay, average change in the retail prices paid by a particular class of people at a particular place for a basket of specified commodities and services over two different time period. Okay, so it is an index number, it is a number which measures the average change, in the retail price. So average change in the retail price which is paid by a particular class of people at a particular place for a basket of a commodities or services, okay, and services over two different time period is cost of living index number. Okay, now let's see the formula how to calculate cost of living index number. So the formula is summation sigma I W, okay, sigma I capital W small divided by sigma W. Okay, so I stands for index number, W stands for weight. Okay, so sigma I W divided by sigma W. Okay, now let's see the example of cost of living index number. So calculate cost of living index number from the following data. So this is the data. Now we'll see the solution. Okay, so now we'll see the solution for this example. So this is the example. I will repeat again. Calculate cost of living index number from the following data. So these are groups, index number is given and weight is given. So in group food, fuel and lighting, clothing, house rent and miscellaneous is given. Okay, so now we'll see the solution how to calculate cost of living index number. So this is the formula. Remember the formula, summation or sigma I means index number, W means weight divided by summation of W, okay, means weight. So now let's see the solution. So prepare the table like this: group, index number, weight and last column the IW. Okay, so now food as it is, group you are going to write as it is from the question. Then now write index number. Okay, index number means what? I capital. Okay, so we are going to denote index number as I capital and write down all the values of index number here. So food is 350, fuel and lighting is 200, next clothing is 240, house rent is 160, miscellaneous is 250. Okay, now weight we are going to denote as small w. So write all the weight in the weight column: 50, 10, 10, 10, 20. Okay, next IW. Okay, how we are going to find this column? I means index number, W means weight. So multiply index number by weight, means 350 multiply by 50. Okay, so we get 17500. Okay, so multiply index number by weight and write the answer here. So 200 multiply by 10, we get 2000. 240 multiply by 10, 2400. 160 multiply by 10, 1600. 250 multiplied by 220, we get 5000. Okay, so now add. Okay, as per the formula, what we want, sigma or summation IW. Okay, so we have got the values of IW. So this sign is what? This sigma is also known as summation. Summation means what? Total of IW. Okay, so add all this thing. Add 17,500 plus 2,000 plus 2,400 plus 1,600 plus 5,000. So the total is summation IW is equals to 28,500. Okay, 28,500. And next is what? Sigma W. Okay, so sigma W means total of weight. So 50 plus 10, 60, 60 plus 10, 70, 70 plus 10, 80, 80 plus 20, 100. Okay, so divided by so total of weight is what? 100. Now write the formula. Formula is equals to cost of living index number is equals to summation IW divided by summation W. Okay, so IW, total of IW is what? 28,500 divided by summation of weight is 100. So divide this. So answer this 0, this gets cancelled. So cost of living, therefore cost of living is equals to 285. Okay, so 285 is the answer. 285 is the cost of living index number for this following data. Okay, for this group of data. So I hope you have understood how to calculate or what is the meaning or definition of cost of living index number. So note down this example in your notebook. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share the video, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the latest notification.